Are you ready for some deliveries?
I'm always ready.
Today, Joe, you will be delivering a bed, shampoo, and a hat to the horse riding stables. And remember, wherever you go, there will always be someone to help you.
Hello, Joe. I'm Rory.
Rory and Leah are waiting for you. They will help you with your deliveries.
Good. Let's go.
Joe, that is not a bed for a horse.
Oh.
Yes, Joe, that is a bed for a horse.
I know.
Bed. Bed. You sign bed. Good. Bed.
Now can we go horse riding?
No, not yet. The horse needs her shower.
I knew that.
And the horse needs shampoo for her shower.
Ah, delivery number 2. Wait here. Horse shampoo.
Good shampoo.
Now, the horse can have her shower.
Water. Oh.
Oh dear.
Oh, I'm wet.
What's going on?
The horse is clean. Now can we go horse riding?
No, you have to change your clothes.
I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy. Working hard. We're very busy. Together, we visit town and country. We're making friends with every delivery. I'm making my breakfast. I'm so tired.
Hello, Joe.
Hello, Aisling.
Come on, Joe. It's time for delivery.
Good.
Today, Joe, you will be delivering basketball shoes and a ball to the basketball arena.
Wow! Basketball! Yes!
And remember, wherever you go, there will always be someone to help you.
Hi, Joe. I am Elliot.
Elliot and his coach Ed are waiting for you. They will help you with your deliveries.
Good. Oh. 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 Ah.
Joe, you're so silly. Play. Play. You sign. Play. Good. Play.
Are you okay, Joe?
Yes, I'm okay. Ah! So this is the basketball court.
Yes.
I love basketball. I'm really good at basketball.
Are you ready?
Yes!
And let's go.
Wait! Your shoes!
Where is my basketball shoes?
Basketball shoes? My first delivery! Wait here! Ah, basketball shoes.
That is not my basketball shoes. That is dancing shoes.
Dancing shoes?
Yes.
I love dancing.
You are silly, Joe.
Stop!
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say,
Dizzy,
Dazzy, Dee.
There's my basketball shoes.
Now,
Now,
let's play basketball!
Yeah.
Yeah.
Basketball. Basketball. You sign. Basketball. Good. Basketball.
No. Oh. I'm really good at basketball too, Elliot. This ball is broken. It's broken. Don't worry. My second delivery. Wait here.
This ball is a shame.
No, this ball is good. Look.
This is the trophy room.
Wow! Look at all these trophies. And this is the Dizzy Deliveries Cup.
Yes.
We're having a match this afternoon.
Can I play?
No.
Why?
It's for athletes.
But I'm...
But first, we have to change our clothes.
Oh, hello. I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy. Working hard, we're very busy. Together, we visit town and country, making friends with every delivery. Today, I've a lot of work to do. I'm packing saucepans.
Hello, Joe.
Ah, hello, Aisling.
I can see you've been busy packing.
Yes,
That's great, but I have some deliveries for you.
I love deliveries. I'm a really good delivery man.
Today, Joe, you will be delivering a key, trousers, and a mandolin to the concert hall.
Amazing.
The band need your help to put on a special concert for the children. And remember, wherever you go, there will always be someone to help you.
Hi, so Grace.
Grace and her dad, Carol, will help you with your deliveries.
Good. Let's go.
Open. Open. You sign. Open. Good. Open.
The door won't open.
Yeah.
We need a
Key.
key. Oh, I remember. Wait here.
That's funny.
Oh.
Take on a key.
Joe, this is the band.
Hello, everybody.
Hello. Are we nearly ready?
Yes! Oh, I can't wait to hear you sing.
Let's love sign. Sing. Sing. You sign. Sing. Good. Sing.
Let's go.
Ooh, I look so good.
I have a great voice.
I'll be riding shotgun underneath the Hudson. I'm feeling like a someone.
Do you like the outfit, lads? What about the trousers?
Oh, trousers? Wait here.
Hospital. Hospital. U sign. Hospital. Good. Hospital.
Now, Joe, lie down on the bed. No, Joe, turn around.
Oh.
No. All right, Joe.
Hello.
Hello, I'm Joe.
Hello.
Hello, I'm Ray. I'm the radiologist.
I've hurt my big toe.
We're gonna have to take an X-ray of that.
What's an X-ray?
I'll take a picture of your big toe. Now lie down on the bed.
Lie down. Lie down. U sign. Lie down. Good. Lie down.
Okay, Joe, let's take a look at this toe.
What happened to your head? Ew.
That's a serious toe situation. He's gonna need medicine. But we don't have any. We're waiting on a delivery.
Medicine? My first delivery! Wait here!
Shoe here. Don't forget your shoe.
Medicine.
That's not medicine.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes!
Not!
Yes!
That's lemonade. Now, does your toe feel better?
No.
See? It's not medicine.
Don't worry. I know just what to do.
What?
Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Dizzy.
Wow.
Hopefully this medicine will help my foot.
It's time for your X-ray.
Will it hurt?
No, Joe.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
Okay.
Now, Joe, put your foot there. Not that foot.
See you.
That's better. Try and get it. That's perfect.
It's so tumble.
Don't move. Here we go.
Here we go.
Okay. Come on, Archie.
See?
We'll go and we'll come back.
Joe.
Stay there.
Okay. Joe.
Joe, that chair's for children.